Hi everybody! Yesterday we started learning about how to write our very own math problems. We learned yesterday that when you write your own math problems, sometimes they give you the numbers and you get to fill in like the nouns or the verbs. Today we're going to practice some where they don't give us all of the numbers. So we'll start and they'll give us some numbers, but they won't give us all of the numbers. So we'll have to fill in numbers. All right? So our first one says, I baked 24 blank last night. My mom ate blank. How many blank are left? All right. So first I want to determine what operation I need to use to solve this problem. I see that it says my mom ate some. She ate some because we don't know how many. We get to choose how many she ate. So that number we get to fill in, but she ate some. So that tells me that some are missing. They were taken away. And then it says how many are left. So left is another clue word that tells us that we're going to be doing subtraction. So I'm going to circle 8 and left. All right. I want you guys to copy this problem down on your paper because you're going to get to choose what you want them to have baked and how many you want my mom to have eaten. I'm going to do one myself. You can do the same one as me, or you can choose your own. So I'm going to say I baked 24 pies last night. So I'm going to fill in pies. I baked 24 pies last night. My mom ate 5. So I'm going to fill in the number 5 in that next blank. How many blank are left? Well, I know that we are talking about, in this problem, we're talking about the pies. So how many pies are left? So I'm going to put pies in that blank. Okay. Now, some of you might want to draw a picture. Some of you might be able to do it in your head, or some of you might not even need to draw a picture. So go ahead, if you want to draw a picture, and then let's get your answer and write the equation. All right. When I did my problem, I chose the number 5. If you also chose the number 5, that my mom ate 5 pies, then there would be 19 pies left. If you didn't choose the number 5, an easy way you can check it, if you remember, is by adding your answer plus your second addend, and if it equals your first addend, then you got it right. So 19 plus 5 is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that means that our answer is correct. You also might have drawn a picture, and that's a great strategy too. All right. Our next problem. We found 12 blank. Miss Danny found blank more. Now there are blank blank. All right, so you get to choose. We found 12. What do you think we found 12 of? I'm going to say we found 12 books. So I wrote books. You might have chosen something different. You might have chosen, we found 12 stuffed animals. We found 12 pencils. You can choose whatever you want. That's the cool thing about writing your own word problems, is you get to make them totally your own. Okay, now it says Miss Danny found blank more. We forgot to figure out what operation we need to use. And it reminded me when I read more that I know that we need to use addition because we're going to be putting two numbers together. So Miss Danny found blank more. I'm going to choose the number 7. I'm going to just say I found 7 more. If you chose a different number, that's fine. Remember, this is your math problem that you're writing, so you can make it however you want. Now there are blank blank. All right. I don't know what goes in this blank. I know that it's probably going to be a number. And I know that if we put a number here, that's telling us how many books there are altogether. So I'm pretty sure that in this blank, I'm going to write books. So I'm going to go ahead and write books. All right, now I'm going to solve my equation, solve my problem, and write my equation. Remember that you can draw a picture if you want to. You don't need to draw a picture. You can use whatever strategy you want to figure this out. Remember, if you chose a different number for this blank other than 7, you're going to have a different answer than me, and that's okay. All right. So I got the answer 19. Now there are 19 books. I got that by adding 12 plus 7, and I checked my answer because I said, what is 19 minus 7? Remember, we're doing addition here, so you always do the opposite sign. So if we did addition this way, then to check our answer, we do subtraction this way. 19 minus 7 equals 12. All right, so our answer is 19 books. If you chose a different number, then remember you will have a different answer. Tomorrow we're going to learn a new way to write math word problems. You guys can practice writing these at home. You can look for things around your house and make math problems about those things in your house. But we will do more tomorrow. Bye, guys.